We're here at Palm Valley Pediatric Dentistry Virada, and you guys are gonna see how the office looks inside and what we can do. Come on over. All right, we have probably the biggest reception than any other offices. It's just so spacious. Kids love to come here. We have iPads. Kids can come in and feel homey. We actually have kids who don't want to go back and upset because we're taking them away from the game. We have this awesome table. Some kids just play around, and then when they're there, they're like, "Oh, they're done. I want to go back and play." So it's good and bad, but it's very good because kids enjoy coming and they have really cool experience. We also have special private room because that small private room is for little kids because you have combination of different ages. We see kids from the age of newborns actually until 18. And this room is for younger kids. We have this cool little toys with basketball, arcade games. So kids come in and they chill and they have fun. Some moms want to teach the kids how to be independent. The kids are playing, and that's because it's glass. They can nicely sit down here and watch the little one playing. That way moms feel comfortable and kids feel independent. This is our front desk team office. This is Sarah. Sarah been with us a couple of years now. She greets you with a beautiful smile. She's always glad to see you and answer all the questions you have. Sometimes mom have a lot of questions, right? And we're trying to help you guys. We're trying to answer all your questions and come up with any possibilities and ideas. We work with you. A lot of moms, they come in defeated. They feel guilty. They feel, oh my God, all my kid has like 10 cavities. Can you help? And then when she shares with me this story, I remember me being a dental school student, feeding my first kid juice all day long, getting him like 8 teeth, stainless steel crown. And I remember myself because that's your first kid. Sometimes you don't know. My practice was created based on no judge experience, best experience for the kids. Our mission as a practice is to create an amazing memory, positive childhood experience, which lasts that child for life. Now we're gonna go to the clinical side of our practice, and you guys gonna follow me because I'm doing exactly what patient experience would be like. Or moms, because moms are part of our practice as well. So we're gonna go here. This is nice and spacious. This is our dental chairs. We do x-rays on kids who can sit in the chair. Because sometimes we have parents who are like, okay, they're gonna sit no matter what. And we don't force anybody. We are trying to accommodate, trying to see the level of temper, the type of development, because some kids are not ready for x-rays. So on average, we take x-rays 3 and up. We never take it earlier than that unless it's an emergency. So there is a lot of new technologies emerging nowadays. So we're trying to keep up with the progress and our latest technology. We have digital technology. They have 3D capabilities, and not all practices have that. This is our cool brushing station. If your kid came from lunch and they did not brush their teeth at all, sometimes we look and we gently tell them, go brush your teeth. And we create an education experience. We give you a special disclosing tablet. When they chew up that tablet, a lot of times they can see where they're missing from brushing, and then they brush their teeth right here, and then we can take a look and see if they're missing any spots. Do they do a good job brushing? So brushing station is great because we use it for orthodontic patients and pediatric patients. Not everybody, but we're trying to do as much as we can. This is our big bay for pediatric patients. So if we have big families or we have older kids, teens, remember the ages from newborns all the way to 18. So they would have their cleanings done. They enjoy watching movies, and we just take care of their teeth here. Also, orthodontists come in here. So Dr. Aaron would take care of all these kids, do their braces. So now we're gonna enter our special room. We call it Dinosaur room. A lot of kids love it because it reminds them of a playground. They just hop on a chair, they sit comfortably. In this room, we mostly do preventative dentistry, cleanings, exams, fluoride treatment or sealants. Today is the day off, so we don't have anybody in the practice, but I can show you our sterile. We actually have very spacious sterile. So we're trying to be upkeeping with all the technologies. We have our sterilizers, so dentistry is very safe nowadays, not with us, with everybody. It's very safe. If you guys go here, this is our clinical side. That's where we do treatments. This panel is an x-ray, so if we need to take x-ray in the chair, we can do that. This one is just a universal kind of green means that the operator is ready. Red means don't enter because it's not clean yet. And yellow in the middle, so they clean maybe partially. This system helps our team to know what to do. All right, and this is our big operatory. That's where we do our treatments. We have a TV on the ceiling, very nice and soft chairs. These ones we bought later. They're 8-deck chairs. They're really comfortable chairs. So kids are chilling, watching TV, and we have special place for mom. And we have operators like this all the way here. We have another dinosaur room. Sometimes when mom comes in with 1 or 2 kids and they're little and they need a little bit of privacy, we usually put them in this room. It's nice and spacious, kids feel comfortable. We have small TV here, so sometimes if we have a child with special needs and then they watch a special movie, they may bring their own disc, or we have Netflix in other rooms and they can choose whatever they want on Netflix. And we have, of course, we're a pediatric practice, so of course we have toys. So we have this toothless dinosaur, which is really cute. And if your kid wants to brush his teeth, we can brush his teeth. It's a little educational tool. Sometimes kids feel uncomfortable and they want to hug something, so we have this big toys. We also have weighted toys. So this is all for children to make the experience more pleasant. This is my favorite dinosaur. Hello! Remember, I don't like kids crying. I like everybody having good experience. I don't like stress. That's why everybody loves each other, because we created this brand with no drama brand. Its internal energy is important. And in our practice, we're trying to create such a good environment that our employees like to come, they like to work, and they spread this positive energy into our patients. So this mom, nervous mom like I was when Christian was little, she feels that she's in the right place. She's home, she can trust. She knows that we will take care of her baby like we would take care of our own kids. So that's how we created this really good positive environment in our practice. All the office, we're trying to create like a big circle. So you're gonna exit here, and when they're done with the appointment, they come here. We have this beautiful art. I love this giraffe, it's so cute. And at the end, they can pick any toys they want. We have really good toys, actually. We invest in these toys because kids love to come. So after you pick a toy, you can pick your toothbrush. We have different sizes. This one is for bigger kids, this is for smaller kids, and they're free to go. That's how we do it here. And again, on friendly reception area, they can make another appointment for come back. At the end of your journey and trip, I want to thank you guys for coming to Palm Valley Pediatric Dentistry and Orthodontics.